Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create multiple duplicate sheet in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we want to make a duplicate spreadsheet. Click the sheet right button and we can see here move or copy option. Now I am select this and click OK option. Then select check mark the create a copy, then click OK. Then we can see we make a copy sheet. Click right button again and select move or copy and check mark this and click OK. Now we can see we create multiple copy sheet easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.